today, there's approximately 915 million acres of farmland, but only so much can be grown at once with the limiting factors such as droughts, floods, soil properties, seasons, and the decline in farmland. Technology has become a huge part in agriculture, from tractors to aquaponics systems. Today, I would like to tell you all about other types of plant systems. I would like to tell you about their benefits, how different ones are used, and how much it costs to use these systems. First, I would like to tell you all about the benefits from these alternative methods. One benefit from most of these systems is that you can grow plants all year round. The different methods are usually kept indoors in a greenhouse or a facility specifically designed for it. No matter if it's 100 degrees outside or -2 degrees outside, you can control the temperature inside the building. Another benefit is that you can turn almost any place into a system. Different systems require different setups. Some setups are indoors, while others are outdoors. You can use abandoned parks, rooftops, alleyways, and even land where you keep your livestock. Next, I would like to tell you about the different systems and how they are used. The first system I would like to tell you all about is an aquaponics system. Aquaponics is the result of combining two systems, aquaculture and hydroponics. Aquaculture is the production of aquatic animals. Aquaponics is set up indoors. The media beds where the plants are have no soil. The roots just grow in the water where the fish swim around and provide the nutrients that the plants need. The next type of system is an agroforestry. Agroforestry is the intentional integration of trees and shrubs into crop farming systems to create environmental, economic, and social benefits. Within agroforestry, there are several different practices like silvopasture and alley cropping. Silvopasture is where they use trees, shrubs, and livestock to help produce healthy crops, and alley cropping is where they plant crops in between rows of trees to give the nutrients while the trees are still growing. Another system that people use is vertical farming. Unlike the other methods, vertical farming isn't a straightforward setup. Vertical farming is more or less how the plants are set up. They have the plants stacked on top of each other with space in between. Just like agroforestry, vertical farming has different practices too, like urban agriculture and aeroponics. Urban agriculture is where they plant crops in urban areas like rooftops, abandoned buildings, and even parks. Aeroponics is the process of cultivating plants in an air or mist environment, eliminating the need for soil or aggravated medium. Lastly, I would like to tell you about the average cost of setting up these systems and how much to keep it maintained and working efficiently. The price for an aquaponics system will vary depending on the size of the system, how many fish you put in there, plus the cost of labor and transportation. The average size for a small-scale system is about 300 gallons. The cost for a small-scale system ranges from about $1,400, while the cost of fish to put in the system can range anywhere from a few $100s to several $1,000s. Next, we have agroforestry systems. Cost per system includes the cost of a site preparation, seedling, labor, and fencing, and not including contained maintenance. For silvopasture, the cost would be about $100 to $150 per acre, not including if you have to buy the acres. Alley cropping can be a little more expensive. The average cost of this system is about $200 to $1,000 per acre. Lastly, we have vertical farming costs. Urban agriculture prices can vary on location and what you need to get the area good enough to grow plants. The starting cost for a small area may be $600 to $10,000. Aeroponics will cost you anywhere from $400 to $1,000+ depending on the size of the location for the system. Research and development is steadily progressing in new and innovative ways in order to increase food production. While technology is improving every day, people are finding more and more ways to produce crops to feed our growing population.